After 60, your legs can lose up to 1% of muscle mass every single year. That might not sound like much until one day you struggle to get out of a chair, or you hesitate before climbing stairs, or worse, you lose your balance. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you 7 warning signs of weak legs and 3 simple moves that can help reverse it safely at home. And no, you are not too old to rebuild strength. Let's begin. Weak legs aren't just about feeling tired. According to the World Health Organization, falls are one of the leading causes of injury in adults over 60. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, and leg weakness is one of the biggest contributors. Weak legs increase your risk of falls, loss of independence, joint pain, slower walking speed, reduced confidence. But weakness doesn't happen overnight. It sends signals. Here are 7 warning signs your legs may already be getting weaker. 1. Difficulty standing up from a chair. If you need to push off your knees, use your hands heavily, or rock back and forth to stand up, that's your quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thighs, losing strength. Standing from a seated position should feel controlled, not like a struggle. 2. Slower walking speed. Have people started walking ahead of you? Do you feel like your pace has gradually slowed? Walking speed is actually considered a vital sign in older adults. Slower speed often signals declining leg power and balance. 3. Trouble climbing stairs. Stairs demand strength and coordination. If you pull yourself up using the railing, climb one step at a time, or avoid stairs completely, your leg muscles may not be generating enough force. 4. Feeling unsteady or wobbly. Do you feel slightly off balance when turning quickly, walking on uneven ground, or getting up at night? Weak calves and hip muscles reduce stability. Balance isn't just about your ears or brain, it's about leg strength. 5. Leg fatigue after short activity. If a short walk leaves your legs heavy or shaky, that's muscular endurance declining. Healthy legs should support basic movement without excessive fatigue. 6. Muscle size in thighs or calves. Look at your legs. Do they appear thinner than they did 5 to 10 years ago? Age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, begins around 50 and accelerates after 60 if you're inactive. Muscle you don't use, you lose. 7. Avoiding activities you once enjoyed. Have you stopped going for walks, gardening, traveling, playing with grandchildren? Sometimes we blame aging, but often it's preventable weakness. And here's the most important part. Weak legs are not permanent. Your muscles still respond to challenge, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Here are 3 simple moves to start rebuilding strength. These are safe, beginner-friendly, and require no equipment. Move slowly, breathe normally, stop if you feel pain, not mild muscle effort, sharp pain. Move 1. Sit to stand, or chair squat. This strengthens thighs and hips, the exact muscles needed to prevent falls. How to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat, shoulder width apart. Lean slightly forward. Stand up slowly without using hands if possible. Sit back down with control. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Use your hands lightly. Too easy? Slow it down to 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. Move 2. Heel raises. This strengthens calves, critical for walking and balance. Stand behind a chair and hold it lightly. Slowly lift your heels off the ground. Pause at the top for 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 sets. Try one leg at a time. Move 3. Supported marching. This improves hip strength and balance. Stand tall holding a chair or counter. Lift one knee to hip height or as high as comfortable. Lower slowly. Alternate legs. Aim for 10 lifts per leg, 2 rounds. Move slow and controlled because this trains balance. Research consistently shows that resistance training in older adults can increase muscle mass, improve balance, reduce fall risk, improve walking speed, and enhance independence. And yes, even people in their 80s and 90s gain measurable strength. Your body adapts at any age. Listen carefully. You are not fragile. You are not too old. You are adaptable. Muscle loss is common, but it is not inevitable. Even starting with 10 minutes a day can improve confidence, increase stability, reduce stiffness, and protect your independence. The goal isn't bodybuilding. The goal is freedom. Freedom to walk, freedom to travel, freedom to live without fear of falling. And that starts with stronger legs. If this video helped you, subscribe for weekly senior-safe workouts designed to keep you mobile, balanced, and independent after 60. Because growing older is natural, growing weaker is optional. I'll see you in the next video.